truth is, it's the silent cries of the heart that truly brings out the monsters. And those slowly creep their way in, disguised as the first rain to the drought of our hearts. It's because that's what it was like for me 10 years ago. Oftentimes, or the people that were around me, as you guys know, that's my birth name. So that's what I did. So the me 10 years ago, my story. So that's why this matters so much to me. Because on the hand, that's when the monsters truly come out. The monsters are you sure that I okay. So today, it makes me truly happy. I'm originally from Sacramento. From Sacramento, this is my third meet and greet. And since solo meet and greet, all the tickets are sold out. There's barely any empty seats. So that this means so much to me, much more than just having a career as an artist or having a book that's sold out. This to me, a healing journey, you guys are all part of it. And the crowd, every crowd that I go to, they love this story, that's why they're there. Some of you guys are here because you guys like me, but some of you guys are here because I am the only voice that you guys have to tell your story. So go ahead and make you guys are not alone anymore, and one day your mom is story. Okay. So thank you so much for coming to the meeting right here in NC, and I hope that you guys have a great time, and yeah, healing to all of us, okay?